We'll begin this chapter on learning how to get our elevation data, because we'll be using that a lot in this very chapter. So we'll be using just one of the sources at which we can get our elevation data, which we are going to be using is the Earth Explorer by USGS. So the website is earthexplorer.usgs.gov. And you will require an account, which this video is not taking into account how to register for an account with USGS, but we have other videos that state otherwise. So you could check out our YouTube channel, Spatial, and then you'll get yourself logged in after you've created an account. So the next thing you're going to do is you are interested in an area. So once you are logged in, you'll have access to these three features: the future, place, path, and road. So to make matter easier, you always use the address if you know where you're looking for. So here we're looking for Mina. So it's Mina we're looking for, and we have Mina, Niger State, Nigeria. So we'll click on it. It's going to take us to Mina, but we're looking at both the Chanchanga local government and the Gusto local government. So that's to say it's Mina Metropolis. Right. So once we have that, we click on data set, and then you will see a whole lot of data, but we're interested in elevation data. So you see digital elevation. So you click on this plus sign. Now we have the Connect TB DEM, we have the Etna, we have GTOPO, GMTET 2010 and all that. But we're interested in the shuttle radar topography mission. So we're going to be clicking on this to go down to the SRTM, and then we have SRTM 1 app. Now you could also non-field them, or have the void field. So all of them, depending on what you're looking for. So you select. After you've done that, just go to result. So it searches and then brings result. But this time around, what I'm seeing is that that's taking us back to United States. So we're going to reload this page and then make our search again. So we're going to still search for Mina, because once it does that, it has returned you back to the default, which default page of these people is the United States. Right, so we're in Mina, and then we go to check. Yes, we have here check, and then we'll click on result. So once you see what result, it means is that most of the times all the location you select, we have only one result. So this covers more than what we are looking for. It's a very rich part of the FCT, which is exactly what we're looking for. So we click on download. For you to download, that must be the login. You must be logged in for it to be downloaded. So you download the GeoTIFF Arc1, and then we click on download. It's just a 24 point something megabyte. So we start our download. So I'm going to select where I want it to be kept. So I'm just going to go back a little bit. I want it to be in this AHP, and I'm going to click save. I'm going to click on yes. So I'm going to click on download. Whoa. So our file is downloaded, and that's end of this video. I'll see you in the next video.